Hello guys, welcome to my channel Yari Mughal. I hope you all are well. Today I provide mega sublimation bundle. In this bundle I have 500 plus PNG. For example, I show the property AC 511 file. For example, I read the name 4th of July. It's a baby sublimation, baseball, breast cancer, cat, coffee, messy bun, funny family, fishing, farmhouse, Mother Day, nurse, sport, and Valentine Day, wildflower, teacher, sunflower sublimation bundle. And for example, I open anyone for the preview. 4th of July sublimation bundle, baseball, breast cancer, cat sublimation bundle, and Father Day, mom sublimation, Mother Day, sports sublimation. I open random one because if I open one by one it's too much time consuming. Teacher sublimation bundle. For example, I open anyone. You can use it freely according to you. Same like it, you can use any of this PNG. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.